are the key points of the Waqf Amendment Bill 2024. Passage. Passed by Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha in early hours of Thursday, amid opposition claims of it being anti-Muslim. Objective. Amends the Waqf Act, 1995, to improve Waqf board efficiency, update Waqf definitions, streamline registration, and boost technology use in record management. Separation of trusts. Muslim-created trusts are no longer considered Waqf, ensuring individual control. Eligibility. Only practicing Muslims for 5+ years can dedicate property to Waqf. Women's rights. Women must receive inheritance before Waqf dedication, provisions for widows, divorced women, orphans. Ending arbitrary claims. Remove Section 40 of the 1995 Act, preventing arbitrary property declarations as Waqf. Waqf tribunals include a district judge, state government officer, and Muslim law expert, appeals to High Court within 90 days. Government land disputes. Collectorate officer investigates government land claims. Reduced contributions. Waqf institutions' mandatory contribution to boards reduced from 7% to 5%. Annual audit reforms. Institutions earning over 1 lakh rupees must undergo audits by state-appointed auditors. Centralized portal automates Waqf property management for transparency. Diverse representation. Waqf boards include non-Muslim members and representation from Shia, Sunni, Bohra, Agha Khani, and OBC Muslim communities, at least 2 women. Limitation Act. The Limitation Act, 1963, applies to Waqf property claims. Need. Addresses mismanagement, land encroachments, lack of judicial oversight, and misuse of powers under the 1995 Act. Concerns. Increased government control, dilution of Muslim representation, ambiguity in defining practicing Muslim, removal of Waqfs by user principle. Benefits to poor. Digitization, auditing, prevention of misuse, increased revenue for healthcare, education, housing, and livelihood programs.